everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD installer requires elevation error using the easy method. This is a great way to grant full permission rights to your setup files on your installation session so your software goes onto your machine without any annoying warning screens. Step 1. Go to your main download folder and find the setup file. The first step is to open your computer's file viewer, go to the room where your internet downloads are stored, and locate the main installation package you just got from the website. Click on the yellow folder icon on your taskbar, click the word Downloads on the left menu list, and scan the center page until you see the drawing program installer icon. Move your mouse pointer directly over that specific setup icon so it is highlighted on your screen. Because you cannot fix a permission error until you locate the exact file that is causing the problem, you have to find this specific installer so you can change how the computer opens it. Without this step, you would just be looking at a blank screen instead of the file that needs the permission update. Step 2. Use the right-click menu to run as administrator. Next, you need to use your mouse to open the Hidden Options panel for that setup file and select the special launching button that gives the file extra power. Press the right button on your mouse while hovering over the installer file, look down the menu list that pops open, and click on the option that has a small shield icon and says Run as Administrator. Click that line cleanly with your pointer and wait for the computer screen to dim for a quick second. Because the error message literally means the setup file does not have enough power to touch your computer's core memory folders. By choosing this specific admin option, you give the installer a master key that lets it bypass your machine's standard security walls. It ensures the file can write its data onto your hard drive without getting blocked by a silent guard. Step 3. Click Yes on the security confirmation box. Look at the center of your screen where the blue and gray user control warning box is waiting. Move your pointer to the bottom and click the Yes button. Step 4. Follow the standard setup screens to finish. Read the text on the installer panel, click the square checkbox to agree to the standard terms, click the Next button, and tap Install. Wait for the status bar to fill up completely to 100%, then click the Close button. Once the bar finishes loading, a brand new shortcut icon will appear on your desk and your tool is fully active. Now your troubleshooting setup is complete and you can design safely. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD installer requires elevation error, you must first go to your download folder and find the setup file. Then you use your mouse menu to select Run as Administrator to give the file extra power. Next, you look at the warning box and click the Yes button to confirm your choice. Finally, you follow the standard setup wizard screens until the installation bar finishes loading completely. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.